What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. In this video, we will cover how to backup and restore WordPress site. But let's first see why it's important. It is to ensure that our data is safe by preventing loss of data. Backup file is just a copy of our site's data kept in a safe place that can be used later. Few scenarios you might find it useful is when you update any plugin or your theme and you lose some data, or your site's UI is busted, or when your website crashes. In such cases, you can easily restore your site if you have a backup. Now let's see the 4 steps we are going to cover. Install Updraft plugin, backup site manually, set up automatic backup, recover a crashed site. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. Install plugin Updraft Plus. Go to WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, click on add new. Now search for Updraft. We have to install the Updraft Plus WordPress backup plugin. Click on install now. Once it is installed, click on activate. We have successfully installed and activated the plugin. Backup site manually. Go to settings option of Updraft Plus plugin. Now click backup now. Select all the checkboxes and click on backup button. Now it is creating backup of our site. It will take few minutes to complete. Our backup is created successfully. Now scroll down to existing backup. Here you can see the backup of your site. Set up automatic backup. Go to the settings tab. Set a schedule for when you want to backup by selecting the interval and number of backups. Let's select weekly and number of backups as 5. So it will generate backup every week and keep backup of last 5 weeks for you to restore. Now select a place where you want to store. Multiple options are available here. Let's select Google Drive. Scroll to the bottom and click on Save Changes. It will ask you to link your Google Drive account. Click on the link. Sign into your Google account. Provide access to your account, and now just click on complete setup and you're done. You have set up your automatic backup. It will now show you when your next backup is scheduled. Recover a crashed site. Now normally if you want to restore to any previous version, you can just click on the restore button on this plugin and it will be restored. But what if you face a situation where you are not able to access your WordPress dashboard and your website is crashed? In this situation, let's see how we can recover and restore our website. Step 1. Remove old WordPress installation. You need to go to your hosting provider and delete or remove your installation for your domain. Step 2. Install new WordPress on same domain. You need to go to your hosting provider and install WordPress for the same domain. Step 3. Install Updraft Plus plugin and link to Google Drive. You can check how to do this as explained in the previous steps of this video. Step 4. Rescan remote storage and click on restore. You have to go to existing backup section, click on rescan remote storage. You can also upload your backup file if you have it downloaded. Now it will show you the previous backup file available. Click on restore and check your site. It should be up and running again. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you know about any other interesting and useful plugins, do share with us in the comment section. Thank you.